Welcome to the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold forward the application and then drag this up to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, you can add here just more applications, but if you want to add a couple of apps in one click, you should tap here on this plus icon, and after that just to select all of the applications which you want to add. Then click here on the right upper corner to confirm the action, and here we can see that we just add them successfully. If you want to rename this folder, just click once on the name and enter the new one. For example, let's use the apps, tap to OK, and we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you want to move this folder on the screen, between the screens, or if you want to create the new screens for the folder, you should hold and then just drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to remove the application from the folder to the home screen, you should just hold and drag it here. But if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, you just should tap on this plus icon and then just unselect this all applications or just a couple of them. Then tap to confirm, and that's it. Don't worry if you just don't see this application on the home screen, you'll find them here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.